In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Resend to Lovable so your app can send emails through a backend edge function. We'll go through the full setup in a simple and practical way, making sure your email API key is stored securely and used the right way inside your project. This is especially useful if you want to trigger emails automatically after a user submits a form. To begin, log into resend.com and navigate to the API keys section. Once you're there, generate a new API key. This key allows your application to authenticate with Resend and send emails on your behalf. When you create it, make sure to copy the key carefully because you'll need it in the next step. As a best practice, treat this key like a password. Don't paste it into public files, front-end code, or anywhere users might be able to access it. Next, open your Lovable workspace and go to your project settings. Inside the settings area, find the secrets section. This is where you can securely store private environment values that your backend can use without exposing them to the client side. Using secrets is important because it helps protect sensitive credentials while still allowing your app's server-side logic to access them when needed. Once you're in the secrets section, add a new secret named Resend API key. Then paste your Resend API key into the value field. Double check that the name is spelled exactly as Resend API key, since your backend function will rely on that exact secret name to retrieve the value. Small spelling mistakes here can prevent the integration from working properly, so it's worth taking a second to confirm everything looks correct before saving. After that, go back into Lovable and prompt it with the following instruction. Create a backend edge function that uses Resend API key to send emails upon form submission. This tells Lovable exactly what you want it to build. The goal is to generate a server-side function that listens for form submissions and then uses your stored secret to authenticate with Resend and send the email securely. Keeping this logic in a backend edge function is the right approach because it prevents the API key from being exposed in front-end code. Once Lovable generates the function, review the output to make sure it matches your use case and is connected to the right form flow. At that point, your basic email sending setup should be in place. That's it. You've generated a Resend API key, stored it securely in Lovable, and prompted Lovable to create the backend logic needed to send emails when a form is submitted.